Here's an old tobacco barn. Tobacco plants have been growing in America since 6000 BC. John Roth of Jamestown is credited as the first person to grow the crop commercially beginning in 1612. John Roth is one of my ancestors. So I think this is interesting. We're on the Richard P. Gravely Jr. Nature Preserve Jones Cliff Trail today. That's an old tobacco barn. It looks like this tobacco barn will soon be going down, like much of the other old tobacco barns. They are becoming a thing of the past. My grandparents had to burn down their tobacco barn on their farm because it was falling apart as well.
And it would be a safety hazard.
Yeah, yep. So years from now, we probably will not see any more tobacco barns. It's actually 71 degrees today in December. That is rhododendron over there. We are having an unbelievable warm day today, the day after Christmas, and yesterday it got up to 67 degrees. Seems to be flower buds on the rhododendron, and this is December 26th. That's so weird. There's a little creek down below. Another one?
I mean, it's like, you know, it's like two trees just form into one tree.
Yeah. Okay, we finally made it to the Smith River. The beautiful Smith River. Here we are hiking through the rhododendron. These will come out in the spring. Okay, we're gonna go off towards the river down here. It's kind of hard to get to. It's going down. So I'm gonna take it slow.
Some of these have flower bulbs and some do not.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at these big rocks. Wow. This is beautiful. All right. And there's some rapids up there. The Smith River is a river that people like to kayak in the summertime. All right, we're out on this rock. Okay. Wow. Even the wintertime can be beautiful. Pretty soon we're going to be up there where the rapids are. I can hear them from here. You coming out on the rock?
Yeah.
All right.
I think the water was up here. The water was actually...
Are you going to go over to that one?
It looks muddy.
Yeah, it does look muddy. I wouldn't do it. Looks like it could be
I could slide into the water.
yeah, and that would not be good. If it was summertime though, then we could get on our river shoes and walk across to that rock. Yeah.
I don't think you could have gone out here in this part. Because this is wet.
Yeah. Okay, go.
All right.
Brian's gonna jump on the rock. Wow, good job, Brian. Wow. All right. A bench at the rock, which is starting to fall apart.
Wow. Oh, the bench just messed up.
Yeah. Yeah, it's falling apart. We're starting to get to some of the rapids. Okay, we are coming out at the rapids. And there is an island over here. There we go. This is the island. It's a small island. And there's the end of it right there.
I don't think someone could survive on an island like that.
Fallen tree ahead. Wow. That looks like it was an old tree. Alright. I'm going under it. Oh wow, look at that. I don't know what kind of animal could be in there. I don't see anything. I'm sure animals get in there. Wow. Oh. All right, got through. Beautiful river. Some more rapids. Beautiful.
There used to be more sand, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, these are walnuts, and you find them everywhere. They're on all the hiking paths. You find walnuts. But these are hard to crack. We've gathered them before, but they are really hard to crack. And when they get a little old like this, they kind of smell like citrus. Here's another hole in the tree, and I'm sure that some little creature lives in there, probably a squirrel. And that goes back pretty far. Wow. And this tree right here with the balls on them, that's a walnut tree right there. Let's see if I can zoom in on the walnuts. There we go. There's a bunch of walnuts on this tree. Be careful. Wow.
It was a little risky with the bags.
Yeah. I can't believe you did that.
I can't do that now.
Wow. Looks like the sun's gonna soon be going down.